Life is a journey. It's a path winding through valleys and over mountains. Along this path we encounter unexpected detours and roadblocks. These are the obstacles that shape us. They test our resolve, they reveal our true character. Obstacles are not failures. They are opportunities for growth. Think of a sculptor chipping away at stone. Each strike of the chisel brings the vision closer to reality. In the same way, each obstacle we overcome shapes us into the people we are meant to be. Don't fear the unknown. Embrace the challenges that lie ahead. See them as stepping stones on your path to greatness. Remember, the most rewarding journeys are often the most challenging. Obstacles are not a matter of if, but when. They are a fundamental part of life. Everyone faces setbacks, disappointments and challenges. It is how we respond to these challenges that defines us. The fear of failure can be paralyzing. It can prevent us from taking risks and pursuing our dreams. But failure is not the opposite of success. It is a stepping stone on the path to achievement. Embrace the possibility of failure. Learn from your mistakes. Use them to fuel your determination. Remember, every successful person has faced countless obstacles along the way. It is their ability to overcome these challenges that sets them apart. Motivation can be fleeting. It comes and goes like the tide. Discipline, on the other hand, is a constant force. It is the engine that drives us forward, even when motivation wanes. Discipline is the ability to do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It's about showing up every day and putting in the work, regardless of the circumstances. Cultivate discipline in your life. Set clear goals and create a plan to achieve them. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. And most importantly, hold yourself accountable. Celebrate your successes, but don't dwell on your setbacks. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. Transforming obstacles into opportunities. Our mindset is paramount. It can be our greatest asset or our biggest obstacle. When we view obstacles as insurmountable barriers, we limit our potential. But when we see them as opportunities for growth and learning, we unlock a world of possibilities. Consider the story of Nelson Mandela. He faced unimaginable obstacles during his fight against apartheid in South Africa. Yet, he emerged from prison, not with bitterness, but with a message of forgiveness and reconciliation. Mandela's story teaches us that our response to obstacles matters more than the obstacles themselves. Choose to see challenges as opportunities to develop your resilience, your creativity, and your inner strength. Unleash your inner strength. You possess incredible strength within you. You have the power to overcome any obstacle and achieve any goal you set your mind to. But this power remains dormant until you make the conscious decision to unleash it. Take action today. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. Start small, take that first step and keep moving forward. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Share your story. Inspire others with your journey. Let them know that obstacles are not the end, but the beginning of something extraordinary. The world needs your unique talents and perspectives. Embrace the challenges, unleash your potential, and make your mark on the world. Now go out there and create the life you deserve.